Alright, now I measured my QB to be 5/8 of an inch. So I go onto my colored paper, make sure the colored side is on the bottom, and then you just put a dot at 5/8, and then make another dot on the top so your line will be straight. Okay, after you have your two dots, you take out your cutter. Hold on, let me zoom out. Oops. Okay. Now you take your cutter and your paper and you line up the dots and you just cut along it. So, got that, and there we go. I got my strip, and after you cut your strip, measure it again just to make sure that you cut it right. So, and it looks good. And note, I'm using these little small pieces. You might have a full sheet, so yeah, your strip will probably be longer. But yeah, this is what I have, so I'm going to be using it. Now, after you got this strip, you put the colored side on the bottom again, and then you measure that same amount again. You don't have to put 2 dots this time, but it's better if you do. It makes your line a little bit straighter. So 5/8. Ish. Hold still. And got my dots on the bottom and on the top. Okay, I got 2 dots there, and now you do the same thing. You put it under the cutter. Oh, and you could just keep putting the dots, so save time. So do the same as last time. Put it under the cutter. Match up the lines, dots rather, and cut it off. And there you have one square. Oops, sorry about that. Dropped it. And yeah. So do that same thing for the other 8 squares. Okay. Oh yeah, a little thing to add. If you accidentally cut your squares not so straight like I did, you could take your pair of scissors and just snip a little bit off. But try not to do too much, because if you cut off too much, then it's ruined. So, try to make it as straight as possible. And I think that's a little better. Yeah. Okay, just for example's sake, I will only be making 3 stickers. So, now on to the next part. Take your packing tape or something, and stretch it out a little, and put your stickers on there, but make the tape stick onto the colored side, not the blank side, the colored side. So the yellow sticks to it. got my pieces on there. And then just cut the piece of tape off. I accidentally took way too much tape. So yeah. Now, really simple. You just cut out the squares. Okay, just to make the video short, I skipped that part of me cutting it because you have to be very careful, so it takes a while. Okay, I got my 3 squares, and the packing tape was for, well, because paper, the paper would probably rip after like 1 day of use, so the packing tape just makes it harder so it doesn't rip. Okay, now next step, you'll need some double-sided tape. Here we go. I got some double-sided tape here. And just cut off a piece about that size, maybe smaller. And then, got the piece. And then, put it on the back, the colorless side. Put the tape there. And then, cut the tape again. So, once again, be very careful. Okay, now I got the double-sided tape on one of my stickers, and do 1 sticker at a time. And then you get your nail clipper and cut off just a tiny bit off the corner, because if you have corners, like sharp corners like this, then it'll most likely peel. So cut off tiny bit. If you cut off too much, it'll look a little round, and yeah, it doesn't look so good when it's round. Unless you mean it to be round. Okay, so there we go. You can see the corners just cut off a little bit. And then take your cube and carefully stick it on. And there you go. These stickers aren't the best quality, but you'd be surprised how, at first when I did this, I thought the stickers would peel very easily, but this is actually stronger than yeah. But they don't look the best, but they're better than peeling stickers. So just do that for the other 8 stickers, and that concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and bye. Are your stickers peeling so much that you can't tell the difference between one and another, and you don't want to buy those expensive stickers that you could get on the internet? Well, in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make custom-made stickers with very common household items. And it's a very easy way to make these stickers, and it ends up with a really good result. Okay, I finished my 9 yellow stickers, and this is the result. It's pretty good, but on a few stickers I made tiny mistakes, but after I practice it a little more, it'll be perfect. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new stickers.